Most women give up on new hair serums in just 3 weeks. Why? Because we focus on the hair, but ignore the scalp that grows it. If your wash day ends with a full drain and 0 results, it's time for a new approach. We're going to fix it with Ocean View's new trio and a silicone brush. The commitment is just 5 minutes, 3 times a week. Let's get started. Your hair growth starts deep in the scalp, where tiny blood vessels feed each follicle. Stress and product buildup can constrict them, stalling growth. The solution is a simple push and sweep massage. Pushing in small circles boosts blood flow, bringing vital nutrients to the follicles. In fact, a 2016 study confirmed regular scalp massage leads to thicker hair. Sweeping clears away buildup, allowing your products to finally penetrate and work effectively. Now, let's talk tools. We recommend Ocean View's silicone brush. Its short bristles reach the scalp without tangling your hair, and the loop handle ensures a secure grip in the shower. The biggest mistake is dragging the brush through your hair. Instead, place it directly on your scalp and make small circles. The goal is to move the skin on your scalp, not your hair. Here's your new 4-step routine. First, on dry hair, apply a few drops of Ocean View scalp oil down your part and let it sit for 2 minutes. Second, in the shower, put a quarter-sized amount of shampoo directly on the brush. Start at your hairline and massage back toward the crown in slow circles, focusing on the temples. Third, do a quick rinse, then repeat the process. The second wash provides the best exfoliation. And fourth, condition just the ends of your hair. A final cool rinse and you're done. This routine is also a powerful stress reliever. After your shower, take the brush and use 10 slow, steady strokes from the nape of your neck downwards. No circles, just a gentle glide. This simple motion helps lower cortisol by stimulating the vagus nerve. It's a moment of mindfulness and free therapy combined. Let's cover some quick troubleshooting. If you see flakes, use lighter pressure. If your scalp feels itchy, try an aloe serum instead of oil. To help encourage new growth, focus the massage where your hair is thickest. And remember to be patient. Testers started seeing new growth around the hairline at week 6. Already have the shampoo, oil, and brush? Type yes in the comments, so I know you want the minoxidil layering follow-up. Missing one? The link is below. The launch bundle is still live. So what kind of results can you expect? Maya, who was struggling with postpartum hair loss, tried this routine. After just 8 weeks, she saw tiny new hairs at her temples without adding any new supplements to her regimen. For long-term success, consistency is key. Set a reminder on your phone. If you're short on time, a 2-minute dry massage while watching TV works wonders. Just be sure to tilt your head forward to boost blood flow. Remember to replace the brush every 6 months as the bristles soften, and do a monthly reset with an apple cider vinegar rinse. So that's the secret. Healthy hair truly starts with the scalp. All it takes is a few minutes, 3 products, and 1 brush. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe and share it with a friend. Drop any questions you have in the comments below. I read every single one.